Let's do decimals multiplication without the calculator. So 31.58 times 10. If it's a times, remember decimal point always shifting towards my right. And how many times will I shift towards the right? I will count how many zeros are there in my 10. If I have 1 0, that means my decimal point will just shift 1 time towards the right. In other words, my answer here will be 315.8. The next one is also times, so same thing, shifting towards my right. There are 2 zeros in my 100, so I'm going to shift my decimal point by 2 times 1, 2, and that will give me 3158.0, which is the same as 3158. The next one, same number, multiply, so shifting towards my right. 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros. So in other words, I'm going to shift my decimal point by 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Now remember, on top of this curve is always 1 digit. On top of this curve is always 1 digit, and if there's no number on top of this curve, you're going to add in a 0. So in other words, the decimal point will be behind this 0, and your answer is going to be 31580.0, which means it's just 31580. The next one, same thing, multiply, shifting towards the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 zeros in my 10,000. So I'm going to shift my decimal point by 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember I tell you, on top of this curve is always 1 digit. On top of this curve is always 1 digit. So if there's no digit here, put a 0 here. If there's no digit in this curve, put another 0 here. So your answer is going to be 31580.0, which is just the same as 31580.